Professor Ralph Vera, and I'm a game development professional and professor in iACADEMY for about 5 years now. Today, I'll be sharing with you my top 5 software, programs, and applications you'll be using in game development, especially when you're just starting out. So my number 5 is Visual Studio Code, or VS Code for short. This is a freeware source code programming editor that features stuff like support for debugging, syntax highlighting, intelligent code completion, and code refactoring. Though probably not the flashiest, this coding editor is what makes your game tick properly and smoothly. So my number 4 is Photoshop. So Photoshop is a raster graphics editor and is the industry standard for a lot of industries, for not only raster graphics but for digital art as a whole. Its primary use is to create the necessary 2D assets for your game, like the user interface or the 2D sprites to be used in-game, or for the concept art to help imagine the world you're building in your game. My number 3 is Autodesk Maya. So Autodesk Maya, or commonly shortened as Maya, is going to be your first introduction to 3D graphics. Features include dynamic effects, 3D animation, rigging, 3D rendering and shading, 3D modeling, and motion graphics, all which you'll get to dabble later on. My number 2 is ZBrush. It's a digital sculpting tool that combines the aspects of 3D modeling, texturing, and painting. It's going to be the tool that you'll go for if you're targeting more high-resolution 3D models, which sort of simulate traditional sculpting with the use of a stylus and a tablet. So the one that took my number 1 spot is Unity. So Unity is a cross-platform game engine and is the go-to engine in iACADEMY. This is where you place all of those code, designs, and assets you've been making and turn it into either a 2D, 3D game or a VR or AR game. Probably before you even start creating games, you'll need to decide what game engine you want to use to make sure everything is housed well. And Unity is one of the most accessible amongst wannabe game developers. So that's my top 5 software programs and applications that you'll use in game development. There are still other software that are used in the industry that I haven't mentioned, which I believe to be as much fun as learning the other 5. But of course, if you want to find out what they are, go and join the game development program in iACADEMY and hopefully